Hello there, sunshine enthusiasts and money-making mavens. You're in for a treat today, as we unlock the secrets to financial success without breaking a sweat. Because let's face it, who said making money had to be hard? Our first lazy way to make money online is through online surveys. Picture this, you're lounging on your couch, sipping your favorite drink, and making money by simply sharing your thoughts on products and services. Sounds like a dream, doesn't it? Next up, we have affiliate marketing with auto-generated content. Imagine building a website that makes money while you sleep. Yes, you heard that right. We'll be exploring how you can let your site do all the talking and generate income through affiliate marketing with the help of auto-generated content tools. Our third method is dropshipping with fulfillment services. Have you ever fancied running an online store without the hassle of handling inventory? Well, we've got the lazy solution for you. Discover how dropshipping combined with fulfillment services can turn your online store into a money-making machine. The fourth lazy way to make money online is through stock photography. If you love taking photos, why not turn your passion into profit? We'll reveal how uploading your snapshots to stock photo websites can bring in a steady stream of income while you focus on capturing those perfect moments. Lastly, we have automated trading bots. No more spending hours analyzing stocks or cryptocurrencies. We're going to delve into the world of automated trading bots where algorithms handle the hard work, and you get to sit back, relax, and watch your investments grow. So there we have it, folks. The 5 laziest ways to make money online. Remember, making money can be both fun and easy. So get ready to kick back, relax, and let these lazy methods pave your way to financial success. If you're excited about this, hit that like button, subscribe for more lazy money-making tips, and together, we'll dive into the world of effortless online income,